Hello friends. In this video I will teach you how to transfer Microsoft Office from one computer to another. If you have a subscription to Microsoft 365, formerly known as Office 365, you can use Office apps on up to 5 devices at once. You won't even need to deactivate the software on the other computer. If you hit your 5-device limit, Office will automatically sign you out elsewhere. Visit www.office.com on the new computer. You can use any web browser, such as Edge, Safari, Firefox, or Chrome, to view the Office website. Use this method if you do not have a Microsoft 365 subscription and want to transfer already activated copy of Office Home and Business, Office Home, and Student, or Office Professional to a new Windows PC. Since your license is only valid for use on one computer at a time, your old version of Office will be deactivated as soon as you log in to the new one. Sign into your Microsoft account. This is the email address and password associated with your Microsoft 365 subscription, which usually ends in Outlook.com, Live.com, or Hotmail.com. If you use Office through your work or school, you may need to use your work or school account to sign in. Click Install Office. It's near the top right corner of the page. This downloads the installer to your computer, although you may have to select the option to save file to start the process. Click Install or Install Office. The option you see varies depending on the version you're installing. If you're using a work or school account, click Office 365 apps to start the installation. Double-click the Office installer to run it. The installer's name begins with Setup and ends with X and is saved to your default Downloads folder. Click Yes to start the installation. This option appears on the User Account Control window. Office will now install. Click Close to finish the installation. Office is now installed. Open any Office app. This could be Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or any other product. If you're using Windows, your Office apps are in the Start menu in the Microsoft Office section. If you have a Mac, open the Launchpad and click the desired Office app. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, Office will activate on the new computer and will no longer be usable on the old one. Uninstall Office on the old computer. To do this, press the Windows key plus S key at the same time to open the search bar. Type Uninstall and click Add or Remove Programs in the search results. Scroll down the right panel and click Microsoft Office version. Click Uninstall and follow the on-screen instructions. So this is enough. Please like, share and subscribe for more guides.